Dear students, I hope all of you have understood the concepts which we have already covered in earlier 5 sessions. You are with me. Please don't be lagging. Feel free to contact me. Feel free to ask questions. Try to cover the concepts in synchronization with the class proceeding, so it will be easy to grasp and it will be easy to understand the next topic also. Now, once we have understood the verification flow and planning in last session, we would like to understand which are the different verification methods, because in verification flow I may have said that these are the methods where I have given only the names. Now we will be talking about those methods in detail, and while we are talking about those methods, the methods like functional verification, formal verification, assertion based verification, and static timing analysis. I will say timing analysis, which cover dynamic and static timing analysis both. Here we will be describing what is functional verification, what is formal verification, what is assertion based verification, and just an overview about the static timing analysis. Later on we will be dealing with functional verification in depth, and 2 to 3 sessions we will be covering on functional verification. In a complete chapter we have for static timing analysis. So here we will be understanding which are the different methods for verification, at which different stages we will be using it, and which are the tools and technology requirement for these different methods, proper selection criteria, and so on. But actually we will be practicing it in subsequent sessions. So again, if I am listing verification methods, it will be functional verification, then formal verification. In formal verification there are terminologies like equivalence checking, model checking, binary decision diagram, and then we have next method assertion based verification, and then timing analysis, because we need to verify both function as well as time. So few of the methods only check functions, few of the method checks only timing, and few of the methods check functions with timing. So we will have to understand that which method to use where. So this is all about the verification methods. Thank you.